This is the Dell XPS 13, which is a really interesting laptop, and it's the new model with the 11th gen CPU. But right now, hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. I've spent the past hour or two trying to remake my setup to have a proper dual camera angle for this video. I actually received this package around 3 hours ago, but as I told you, I've spent a lot of time trying to get this setup working. So as you can tell, I'm extremely eager to grab my scissors and look through the box. And I have no idea how to open it. There we go. It took about 3 weeks for the laptop to ship to my house. Well, let's get out of the box first. Oh, this is not actually that bad packaging. Before we open the box, I just want to tell you that it's been a true roller coaster trying to get this laptop shipped to me. And it's mainly because of my failure of actually trying to get a proper credit card to buy this laptop with. So I had to wait a week just for Dell to tell me that my order was cancelled / blocked due to a card error. So that was fun.
As I can see, sir, right now the order is under hold due to the payment issue. The same order is generated, but it is not fully updated on our record because there is a hold on the order.
And secondly, I ordered this one, but with the exact same card, but with PayPal. So this is the world that we live in. If you use an American service with a European credit card, it still works. I've wanted to buy a Dell XPS 13 for a year and a half at this point now. And the reason I didn't buy it a year and a half ago was because due to its extreme incommodity of trying to actually purchase one here in Spain, I decided to go with the easier route, which was an HP Spectre from a year ago. And the laptop was great, and to be honest, I would have kept the laptop for a while if it wasn't for its terrible pads. The pads wouldn't stick anymore, so then I would have a really dirty laptop full of that gunk from the adhesive. And also cooling wasn't working properly due to that, so I've took it to service 4 times now, and it still had the same problem. So I was like, screw it, I'm gonna try and do something with the HP Spectre. Right now, as I'm recording this video, it's still at the retailer which I bought the laptop from for a month now. So now I decided to buy the XPS 13. By the way, this video is not sponsored by anybody, so everything that I'm going to tell you today is an honest opinion. To start off, the packaging is actually really nice. It has this magnet which opens the box. You know, it already looks really nice. The box makes me think that this laptop is really professional. And here we go. All right, we're getting right into it, so let's get the laptop out. Not bad, not bad. But let's look at the I/O first, like every single unboxing channel on YouTube. So in this part, we have what looks to be the charger. It's a standard power brick charger, and I'm pretty sure if I look at the back, it is 45 watts. My old laptop used to have a 65 watt charger, so this is gonna be annoying. We have a bunch of papers, which I do not want to read. Then we have the power cable for the laptop. And what is this? I didn't think they would include this. This is a Type-C to USB adapter, which is very useful for the 0 USBs that will plug into this laptop. It also writes here XPS. As you can tell, I'm not sure if my commentating skills are going to be really good today, but I am extremely excited to check out this laptop. I decided to buy the model with the max 11th gen processor and almost the max RAM, only 16 gigs, and a 1 terabyte SSD. So looking at the exterior, these pads are way better than my old one. Looking at the front, we have the visible Dell logo, and when we open it, as you can see, I bought the platinum exterior with the carbon interior. And looking at the laptop, I have a lot of wrist space because I bought it with a 16:10 display. The keyboard is good as well. I'm surprised. Let's turn it on. I think that's the power button. Does it even have battery? I'm not sure if it has battery, unless the power button is somewhere else.
2,000 years later.
Oh, there we go. You just needed to hold the button. We have here at the front this light here which indicates that it's on, and I've seen that most Dell laptops do this. And here it is, it's booting up into Windows. So the laptop is running Windows 10, but as you all know, Windows 11 came out, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to install it because I'm running Windows 11 on my personal computer right now, and I want to have Windows 11 on my laptop too. From my observation, it's really nice. I really like the infinity type display. Unfortunately, even though the laptop was in China when I bought it, it still has the Spanish keyboard layout, and I wanted to get the United States one, but it's not hard just to put the United States keyboard in Windows, so let's just continue.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Yeah. Not today, Cortana. So we're in Windows 10 out-of-box experience, so I'm just gonna quickly set up my account and then I'll get back to you. And here we are, we're in Windows. First of all, it's a little bit weird having the infinity display as I'm usually used for it to be a bezel here. First of all, we need to fix its scaling because its scaling is just, oh my goodness. So 125% scaling. There we go. Let's first take a look at Task Manager so we can check that all the specifications are right. As we can see here, we have the 1185 G7 processor, which is maxed out with 4 cores and 8 threads. We have 16 gigabytes of RAM. It's been a while since I've had 16. What happened to my background? Explorer crashed. That's weird. We have a 1 terabyte SSD, then we have the Wi-Fi 6 card, and then we have the Intel Iris Xe graphics. Now that I've set up the laptop, let's just close it quickly, and let's take a look at the I/O. So here we have a USB Type-C, which is Thunderbolt 4, I believe, and then an audio jack. On the other side of the laptop, we have another USB Type-C and a micro SD slot. Both USB-C ports are both Thunderbolt 4. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to try connecting my GPU to this laptop to try and see how well it performs in games. Right now, I'm going to set up my laptop to my liking. So install a browser, install some apps, and then I'll get back to you with my opinion after about an hour of use. It's been an hour since I last talked to you and I've been slowly using the laptop. I didn't really do much. The only thing I did was install a lot of updates. What do I think of the laptop? It's really nice. Now that I installed Chrome and I could have all of my bookmarks, I signed into all my accounts. I was actually having some performance issues with Edge, but now that I'm on Chrome, it works extremely well. Overall, I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna make a follow-up video to this once I get back from my vacation in Italy. I'm gonna try and make the video throughout my entire holiday in Italy. I'm not sure I will have my good-looking setup that I have right now here. Nonetheless, I like the laptop. It's way better than my old laptop, and I am excited to finally have a laptop because I've been staying on my computer for the past 3 weeks doing everything that I would prefer to do on a laptop downstairs in my living room. I just want to quickly comment that that in the process of this video that I broke a leg from my table. Turns out I had a spare one. To end off this video, I just want to say that I'm pretty sure for the next week, so before I go on my vacation, I'm gonna spend a lot of time installing things. I'm gonna install Linux, Chrome OS, and also keep Windows, which I will upgrade to Windows 11. On that note, I guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Now I need to put everything back together. I actually had to move my table from my wall because it used to be at the very back of my wall. So I had to move Nucleus because my server Nucleus used to be on this table, but now I moved him under my couch. And let me tell you, that was a process in of itself. Goodbye.